Parkridge Medical Center aims to raise caution and lower the spread of norovirus in Hamilton County.
We've been seeing an influx in, influenza. We've actually seen some recurrence in some COVID cases. And then, is it influenza or is it the norovirus? Both of them sometimes can have gastrointestinal challenges. Norovirus in particular is a little bit different than the normal influenza sort of, GI or gastrointestinal upset, which is going to be associated with nausea, vomiting, diarrhea.
Norovirus is known as the winter vomiting bug that is the leading cause in foodborne illness in the United States. Dr. Daniel Poor with Parkridge explains why this virus is a big deal.
They can't get nutrients or fluids or even meds in by mouth. So then we have to worry about whether or not we have to bring them into the hospital, put an IV in them, keep them overnight, maybe 2 nights, right? Make sure that they can pee and walk and tolerate stuff by mouth before they can even go home. So it affects everyone in the family.
According to the CDC, the new strain of norovirus now makes up a majority of outbreaks across the country. Along with vomiting and diarrhea, folks can even experience symptoms like nausea, stomach pain, body aches, headaches, and fever. Dr. Poor believes the best practice to prevent norovirus is hand hygiene.
You really get that hand lather, get between the webs, get into the fingernails, and then really just wash it off good. And then anything that's contaminated, if they vomited on something, it goes in the washing machine. If you've had diarrhea, go ahead and get that out of the way. Wipe everything down. If you have the ability to use gloves at your house, even if you have gloves on, when you take them off, you still need to wash your hands with soap and water.
Parker says if you're unable to eat or drink and feel dehydrated, get to the nearest hospital immediately. Dr. Poor considers it important to take care of your health.
It's a personal responsibility, a social responsibility, and a family responsibility for everybody across the board. And if you have any questions or concerns about your health or your family member's health, just come into the hospital and see us. We're happy to see anybody and take care of anybody we can.
Reporting in Hamilton County, I'm Caleb Figures, News 12.